Now that you've got a hit video and a profitable funnel and a list that you could profit from almost every day, you could just rinse and repeat this process, or you can just be content with this and just profit from the list. And then you could just generate your traffic from other sources other than YouTube. For example, you could generate traffic from other social media networks, or even use paid advertising once you know the average value of your customers. Of course, you could rinse and repeat this whole process of creating a hit video and creating a profitable funnel. Now, I'm not going to guarantee anything here, and obviously, the first time you try something, you may not be good at it and you may fail. So, for example, if you're trying to create a hit video, the first time you try it, you may create a dud and you may not get as much traffic as you expected, or the funnel that you create may not be as profitable or as high converting as you expected. So, of course, you have to learn from trial and error here and just keep pushing and be persistent. Now, a side benefit of this blueprint is that you're going to get plenty of YouTube subscribers, right? When you have hit videos, when you're pumping out these videos, you're going to build your YouTube subscriber database, and you're going to be able to monetize your channel more, and you'll have more opportunities to joint venture and work with other YouTubers. And what I love about this method is that you could profit a lot faster from it than the traditional way of profiting from YouTube, which is just to create videos and just wait till you have a large list of YouTube subscribers, which can take several months or even years. So with that said, I hope you found this course valuable and I wish you the best of luck.